Hey, everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm sharing with you a delicious and refreshing recipe for a fruity quinoa salad. Let's get started. For this fruity quinoa salad, you'll need 1 cup of cooked quinoa, cooled, 1 ripe mango, diced, 1 cup of fresh blueberries, half a cup of pomegranate seeds, a handful of chopped fresh mint leaves. Now, in a large mixing bowl, we'll add our cooled quinoa. To that, we'll toss in our vibrant diced mango, juicy blueberries, and these beautiful ruby red pomegranate seeds. And don't forget the secret ingredient to elevate the flavor, fresh chopped mint leaves. Now, let's make the dressing. In this little jar, I've combined the zesty goodness of fresh orange juice, a drizzle of honey for natural sweetness, and some lime zest to brighten things up. Shake it well to let all the flavors mingle together. Time to bring it all together. Pour the dressing over the quinoa and fruit mixture, then gently toss it to coat everything in that delightful dressing. And there you have it, my lovely viewers, a refreshing and nutritious fruity quinoa salad. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes like this.